God, and today I've got a special guest.
Hi!
And her name is
Abigail.
So she's just a friend from school. Right. And today we're gonna be doing Okay. So let's start with this big
one. Oh wow.
I don't think we're gonna get this one out of the pot because it's really sticky.
Yeah, this one's sticky, so yeah, we're not gonna get that one out of the pot.
I'm gonna dunk my hand in. Ready?
We could try put it take it out of the pot. It's not that sticky.
We'll take it out. We'll take it out.
Oh,
Look at that.
Oh, sorry about that, guys. Just a bubble. Ready?
I don't think this one does a bubble.
Oh, no.
It does because my cousin did it. Right, ready? Steady.
Let me try. Ready, guys? Jiggle.
Ready, guys? Here we go.
3, 2.
Nope. Right, let's put this back.
Yeah, this one's not. Oh wow.
This one is.
Okay.
This is jiggly slime. So.
Yeah. Oh
Yes.
wow.
Okay. So, oh, that squeak.
Next one.
We'll do the little one. Sorry about that, guys. The camera fell.
There we go.
I want to feel it.
Oh, it's rainbow, guys. It's
Oh, look
so
at it
cool.
shimmer. No, the shimmer in the sun though. It doesn't.
Oh.
You can't really see it on the camera, but
Yeah.
it looks so pretty.
Look, guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but there's like a really nice shimmer.
Shimmer.
I don't think it shows up on camera.
put it
It's
back.
really pretty.
Okay.
I think it's rainbow.
The next one.
Next one.
That almost fell off the
This
table. Yeah.
Yup.
I
Okay.
don't think we're gonna get this one out.
No, because we played this one
really
before the
sticky.
video and it got really, really sticky.
Messy.
Look how sticky that looks, guys. Don't tell them a story about it. So Madison's got a story about this slime, haven't you, Maddie?
So, I made some clear slime, and my brother didn't think there was anything in there, so we mixed that blue slime and see-through slime together. And that see-through slime is actually my favourite slime as well, so I'm really upset about that.
Yeah. Okay. Let's move
Look at
on.
them bubbles in that slime. There's loads of bubbles.
Oh yeah,
Slime.
that purple one. There's so many
Lemon
bubbles.
bubbles.
Oh wow, it's windy today, guys. Here in UK.
UK.
UK. Yeah. Okay. Next one. This one.
Close your eyes and pick. Go.
Okay. I'm just gonna pick. Oh no!
One's leaked all over the box, guys.
Oh, it didn't leak, but okay, we got it. We got it.
We've got it.
Oh wow, this is hard.
Well, text.
Oh wow,
This is like putty, guys.
but stick it same
It's
time.
putty. It's putty. It's pretty much putty, yeah.
Like, putty, yeah. Well, I don't think.
Well, it does say thinking putty on the lid.
Thinking putty.
Oh my god, I'm trying to get this off the lid.
Oh wow.
This is
Oh, wow.
really sticky.
This is like
Don't-
really hard. As
Don't get this on your clothes.
Yeah. Oh yay! I managed to get it all out.
I got it on my clothes before and it didn't come off. So it's
It's like a nice blue glittery colour, guys. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh wow. This is like a really good
I got this quite a
texture.
while ago actually, and I'm surprised it's still good.
Yeah. I don't know, guys. Can you see like that shimmer there? Like if we like put this on, can you see that shimmer? Shimmer.
Alright,
And that's good quality, this is.
we're moving on to
The next one.
Nickelodeon.
Nickelodeon. So basically, okay, me and Maddie oh wow.
Oh, this has gone sticky, guys.
Oh, put that here.
We're gonna put that back in the tub.
Oh wow.
If it comes off this.
Okay.
My gosh.
Oh wow.
Wowzers. This video is gonna take a long time.
A long time.
Long time.
Very long. So sorry if this
Oh.
is long. It's not coming out. Okay. I think we might have had enough. So me and Maddie actually made this once at the weekend and we split it in half. So I've got half at home and Maddie's got half here.
Is yours still good?
Yeah, mine's really good.
Right. We're gonna move on to that one.
Jokes and gas slime. Is that one? Yeah.
Let's
This
get
one's
it out.
good quality.
This was actually really good. We'll split it.
Ugh.
That was really hard.
Oh my god, look at that. That looks like slushy slime.
Slush slime, that's what we should
Slush
call
slime,
it.
yeah,
Slush
slush
slime.
Because it looks like a slush, like when you do it like that, it looks like slush. So if you can hear like barking and rustling around, that's just Maddie's
That's
dog.
my dog.
Trigger. You might have seen him in one of her videos.
Yes, you have, definitely.
Yes.
Right, let's put this back.
Yes.
Plop.
This is good.
That one didn't stick to you. Ew. Alright, I want to pick the next one.
Okay, you should knock the activator over.
We're going to use this one now. I love this one.
Ow. Okay, you knocked this over. Okay. Oh, wow. Can I feel that one?
Feel that, feel that. Smell it,
Oh my-
smell it.
That smells like...
Wash it up liquid.
No, I thought it smelled like Sprite.
Sprite?
Yeah, look at
I don't like
Sprite.
Sprite, so. Oh, look at
It's got hair in it.
that. Ew.
Let's see the... Wait, let me...
Oh,
That's
Let me do it.
so
let me do it.
good, guys. Ugh. Slam on me.
Didn't work for me. How come it works for her? but not me?
Okay, let's move on to the next one, guys. Okay, I really want to pick the next one. I'm going with the unicorn poop.
I love this one so much.
That's if I do. Oh, wow.
That one,
Guys, yeah, this one is actually quite coming together. This is really good. It's not good quality when you add
Good
activator. When you add activator.
Camera keeps falling.
Sorry that the camera keeps falling, guys.
Get
Oh,
out.
let's do this blue. Oh, this is a pretty colour, guys.
You want to feel it first?
I'll feel it first. Okay, yeah, we might need activator in this one
No,
as
that's
well.
a good one. That's a good one.
No, it's not.
This is actually a good one.
Is it?
Oh, that looks so pretty, though, guys.
Yes, but then it's really sticky.
It's not that sticky.
You just got it off.
I've only got a tiny activator. So.
We can add a little bit.
No, it'll be fine.
Okay. Okay, let's see if I can get it off. Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh my.
really?
Oh, really?
You know what that look like?
Okay, can I take this on my finger, please?
It looks like a teardrop.
Okay, so
Okay.
we managed to get most of it off, but I think we're just going to put that to the side.
Oh, really?
Oh my god, Madison! Okay, that will just have to do. Oh my god.
We're going to mix this one, guys. But it's really
This
hard
is
to get
like,
out. Abigail, don't break your fingers because it's like really hard to get out. Like,
this feels
really-
like
It's just breaking. Oh my god.
I don't know what this feels like. That
Daddy.
foam, it feels like foam.
Foam slime. Like the world. You know what it feels
You
like?
know what? This is just going to take forever to get out.
Yay.
Yay. I think we might need
Bouncing.
to sort this out, guys, because this is going to take a while.
Yeah.
So see you guys in a unicorn poo
Unicorn
slime.
poop.
And like...
I've got slime on my face.
And guys, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but it's like got glitter and it's such a nice purple colour. Let's test.
It's pink, not purple.
It looks purple. It's pinky purple.
It's purple here, but it's pink on camera.
Yeah.
It looks so good.
Ready? I want
Wait,
to
let's do
slime
stretch.
bubble. Oh, it's not going to do that.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, wow, I've got slime on
Oh,
the
I
table.
love this. If you look really, really closely, you can kind of see the glitter.
Check this side head up, guys.
You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do a slime swirl.
Oh yeah,
Do
do an
slime swirl.
Instagram slam squirrel.
Squirrel
Swirl. Okay.
How do you do it?
Hallelujah.
How do you do it? It just keeps breaking.
Okay.
That is not how you do it.
Okay, this is like my
That's the worst.
swirl. Okay, I don't really think it's meant to be like the slime swirl, but it's good clicking.
It just keeps breaking.
Listen to that. Hello.
My face then, though.
Go check out Maddie's Musical.ly we did today. She hit 10K. So go check out that on Musical.ly.
My name is at Maddie_moo_123.
Yeah.
Quite
Oh,
an easy one
guys,
to remember.
also to make sure you subscribe, smash smash that subscribe button and comment down below if you want to see any more slime videos.